So last month, my best friend Greg announced he was starting a new diet. Now, Greg's the kind of guy who once tried to eat exclusively foods that started with the letter Q, so I wasn't surprised. This time, he told us at our weekly trivia night that he'd read an article about the health benefits of eating a rhyming diet. Specifically, he was going to eat only foods that rhyme with carrot. We all nodded slowly, mostly because none of us could think of anything besides parrot and ferret, and Greg's always been a little, experimental. But it got weirder. Over the next week, Greg started sending us pictures of meals that looked suspiciously like regular food, but he'd renamed them. Parrot soup, he'd caption a bowl of orange-colored broth. Barrett salad, which was just lettuce with carrots and a mustache-shaped bacon strip. I figured he was just being goofy until he called me in a panic, saying he'd made a huge mistake and needed help immediately. We rushed to his apartment, half expecting to find him gnawing on a stuffed animal or passed out on a pile of produce. Instead, we walked into his living room, which was absolutely filled with cages. Cages filled with actual parrots. Greg, looking frazzled and covered in feathers, explained that he'd spent $200 on rare parrots from an online marketplace because he thought it was the final step of his diet. He was halfway through trying to make a smoothie when we stopped him. After a long intervention involving a veterinarian, the local bird sanctuary, and several very angry parrots, we finally got to the bottom of it. Turns out, Greg had misheard us at trivia night. We'd said he was just hungry for attention, not hungry for a 10-parrot luncheon.